Introducing your Sea Change, a leading lighting store and solar installer in a top location, Sunshine Coast, Queensland. This very successful lighting store and PV solar installer on the sought-after Sunshine Coast could be the perfect excuse to make that sea change to one of Australia's favourite holiday hotspots. The rented premises have been fully renovated to include a modern showroom showcasing both domestic and commercial products. Averaging 4 PV solar system sales and installations per week, this generates plenty of work for the electrical team and further boasts the already healthy revenue. With the Sunshine Coast population growing and a surge in home renovation, this busy store generates $2 million revenue a year. The store is known for its wide range of high-quality lighting solutions, servicing both the domestic and commercial markets. The store is always busy as it is located on the busiest main road on the coast, with 50,000 plus cars passing daily. The shop features a large PV solar display, lighting displays throughout and a darkroom for showcasing LED downlights. A 34 kilowatt solar system has been installed to substantially reduce power bills for the showroom. With easy access and high visibility, this lighting store is located in the heart of the coast's fastest growing district. Construction of new residential and commercial properties is booming, with national companies moving into the area and the new cutting-edge Sunshine Coast Hospital under construction nearby. There's plenty of time left on the lease with options to extend, and this business is well priced to sell now. With fabulous beaches on the doorstep and within easy reach of Brisbane City, this is one of Australia's most desirable areas.